and we have a big breaking news coming in, viewers. Source-based information coming in only, obviously, in fastest own times now. We're getting to know that Randeep Singh Surjewala has arrived in Bengaluru for that CLP meeting, the all-crucial CLP meeting lined up. DK Shivakumar will be meeting Surjewala at a private hotel before the CLP meeting. Now, and after this particular meeting, they will be going to meet the governor. So it's a crucial meeting, the CLP meeting, which is going to happen in Bengaluru today. Neha joining us live on the broadcast. Neha, Surjewala has arrived in Bengaluru. He is the Congress, observer. He's in Karnataka ahead of the crucial CLP meet. What happens next? Why it's so very significant? What we are expecting from the CLP? Give us all the updates.
Well, yes, that's right, Meghna. We're now picking up that the Deputy Chief Minister, of course, who's all set to be now taking charge in the state of Karnataka as the Chief Minister, here at his residence, would be leaving in a very short, span of time now from his residence here. He would be going to meet Randeep Singh Surjewala, AICC, of course, Secretary, who's come down to Bengaluru now, for this crucial CLP meeting. He would, in fact, be sitting in, observing the entire CLP meeting. You'd be able to see a flurry of activity as well over here at Mr. DK Shivakumar's residence, where supporters, loyalists, people from across the state have come down with sweets, bouquets, just to be able to congratulate him. And of course, courtesy meet and greet that's happening here. But coming back to of course, what's at hand here, information that we're gathering now that that in fact, Mr. DK Shivakumar would be leaving shortly from his residence to meet Randeep Singh Surjewala, who's arrived in Bengaluru ahead of the CLP meeting. And then from there on, after holding a discussion, is when both of them would head to the CLP meeting. And once the CLP meeting concludes, we gather that Mr. DK Shivakumar would be going to meet the governor again after the CLP to convey, of course, his intention there to form the government, or in fact to take oath. Now, on the dates that we've picked up, of course, not just from the astrologer, but in fact, from other sources within the DK camp as well, is that most likely, in fact, he would be taking oath either on 3rd or on 5th. This is something that Times Now had initially broken, that June 3rd would be the date of the oath-taking ceremony. After speaking with the astrologer now, between 3rd and 5th, 2 dates that have been given. One would be finalized before, of course. And also, another key aspect of this remains that it's not just DK Shivakumar taking oath, remember, but at least another 9 other ministers. Reportedly, top sources in the party have informed us that at least another 9 people would be taking oath along with him as ministers. We'll really have to wait and see. It is, of course, going to be a politically charged week for the state of Karnataka.